Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create eye-catching YouTube shorts using just your phone or computer? In this video, I will show you how to make a YouTube short using CapCut PC. Step by step, no editing experience needed. If you want to show how to make YouTube shorts using CapCut mobile, comment below. First of all, open the CapCut app from your device and tap Create Projects tab. Import your video clips on screen recording you want to turn into a YouTube short. Click on it and select a video from your computer. Then drag onto your CapCut timeline. Now set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is vertical format YouTube Shorts uses. Click full or now click ratio and select 9:16. Now zoom in the video. This is perfect for mobile viewers. Now play the video or import a mobile friendly video like that and choose the ratio. After that, now trim your video to keep it short and engaging, under 60 seconds. My video is 15 seconds. Play the video and click right click on to your video and you can see the split senses are. Click the split button or press the Ctrl plus B from your keyboard. Or if you want to delete this part, just just tap on Q on your from your keyboard. That's it. So use the split tool to cut and remove unwanted parts and drag clips to rearrange them in the right order. Now go to text option, then you can select your text effects from text effects section, then go to text templates. Now drag it onto your canvas like that and play the video. So make your text bold, readable, and place it where it won't get blocked by YouTube's interface. Use animations like pop or bounce to grab attention. Tap the audio tab, tap the audio tab from this bar to add music from CapCut's free library or upload your own. You can also record a voiceover by tapping the mic icon and select a echo reduction option, then press the red button or space from your keyboard. That's it. Holding the mic button and speaking over your video. To make your short pop, try adding effect. Go to the Effects tab and try options like camera shake, zoom in, and glow. Go to Effects. Now drag onto your canvas and play the video. So cool. Use filters to make colors stand out, especially if you are sharing tutorials or lifestyle content. Go to Filters tab and try one by one. Then drag onto your canvas. Now you can adjust manually from here. Click Custom Adjust and select it. From the right side panel, go to Basic tab and set exposure, contrast, highlight, shadow, whites, blacks, etc. Then click SL and pick a color and adjust the color. If you are using multiple clips, add transition like that. I'll see you. I'll show you like that. Click transition and choose a transition from here like triangle zoom. Then drag onto your timeline. That's good. When you are done, tap the export at the top. Then set resolution to 180p and 60 fps for the best quality. Save it to your device. Now it's ready for upload. Go to YouTube app, hit the plus button, select your video and upload it. Make sure video is under 60 seconds and vertical. And add hashtag shorts in the title or description to help your YouTube categorize it properly. That's it, your first YouTube short made with CapCut. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want a video on shorts monetization next. Thanks for watching.